how are you? My name is So. I'm a mortgage broker. I'm based in Sydney, but I can serve anyone anywhere in Australia, and my clients are everywhere in Australia because these days we can do everything online. Today I'm going to talk about interest-only repayment, whether you should do it or not. What I want to say is it depends. Um, you know, so it's, when you take on the home loan, you have to do repayment, right? So when you pay interest only, that means you never pay off the principal, you never pay off the home loan, but then you pay less every month, less than if you were to pay principal and interest, of course. Okay, but the tricky bit is if you want to take interest only repayment on owner occupier home loan, most banks don't like it unless you have too much deposit. um, um, they think interest only people are more risky. Okay, and then also depends on, like, you need a lot of deposit, and also depends on the reason you give why you want to pay interest only. If you say you want interest only repayment because you want to repay less every month, then they won't accept it. But if you say I want to do interest only get interest only repayment on owner occupier home loan, that means the loan you take to for the house you live in. Okay, so say if you take on interest only repayment, the term you could usually get are from 1 year up to 10 years. Okay, and I'll let you know positive and negative of interest only repayment. Okay, positive is you pay less, okay, than if you were to pay principal and interest. Investment, but if you have a bit of buffer, it's always good. Okay, and negative about paying interest only repayment. First thing is, you know when you finish interest only repayment, you go back to principal and interest repayment. When you go back, you pay much more than if you were to start with principal and interest repayment. Okay, um bank lend, and if you want to extend your interest only repayment, you can't just extend it easily, just fill in the form and extend. No, you have to reapply for the whole loan. So it's complicated because you might be earning less income, your family situation might change, you might not be able to afford the loan that you had originally. So then it's hard to extend interest only repayment term. Okay, sell the property within a few years, or it's for tax benefit, or you have too many property, it's good for cash flow, or you're going to buy another property within a year or two, you shouldn't do unless that you shouldn't do interest only repayment, because you will revert to much higher repayment after that period, and it's not worth it. There's a lot more negative than positive. Okay, so yeah, I hope this helped you. I hope this helped not only you, your friends and family who are thinking or taking up the home loan. Share it. All my contact details are in the post. If you like and share it, and your friends and family come to me, they do loan with me, and just ask them to give, you know, they come because you tell them, then I give you and the client both travel voucher worth 600 to 1000 each of them. Okay, I know we have a COVID situation again, but it'll pass. We're getting vaccine, and these vouchers have no expiry until you activate them. Okay, so you have a nice day. I hope this helped you. Yeah,